Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing good today. I hope you have done your previous work which I have given you for English literature. Let's revise the previous lecture first. We have studied about unit number 1, the sea. We have read some difficult words related to your chapter. Then we sort the words into two groups on page number 3. Then we did exercise, complete the sentences using the words. Then I have given you a question for your home task, question number 4. Hope you do it correctly. Then we read the story of two boys, Dave and Jack. How Jack went into the sea. What things are going to happen with him. This all we read in our previous lecture. So now comes towards today's diary. Reading of textbook, page number 5, 6 and 7. Your classwork will be answer these questions from your previous story we have read before. Then exercises on page number 5 and 6. Then there will be a home task for you, question number 4 from page number 6. Kindly hold on your stationery, notebook and textbook with you. Open your notebooks, draw the margin lines, put your date, classwork, then mention the name of your unit and lesson. Read the story and answer the questions on page number 5 of your textbook. You have done reading before, so you already knew the answers, but I have write it for you. You have to do it like this on your notebook. You have to write the question, then answer. What do Dave and Jack use to find the sunken ship? They use an echo screen. Question number 2 is, how far is the sunken ship from the boat? You already knew this answer. It's about 80 meters below. How long does Jack plan to spend on the seabed? Jack planned to spend on the seabed for about 40 minutes. Then, what does Jack breathe through? Jack breathes through an airline. What does Jack speak through? Jack speaks through a phone line when he was talking to his friend in the sea. He was talking to a phone line. Why is it hard to see inside the old ship? It is hard to see inside the old ship because it's very dark over there. Why is it hard for Jack to fight the octopus? Because the octopus was very giant. As we have read before, it is hard for Jack to fight the octopus because it's a giant octopus and it's very strong. Was it important to bring up the treasure or to come up safely? It was more important to come up safely. These are the answer these questions which you have to do it on your notebook. This is your classwork for today. Now open your textbook, page number 5. You have question number 4 here. Complete the sentences with the words from the story. For example, Dave and Jack are looking for a sunken ship at the bottom of the sea. Sunken is the word from the story that we have to put in the blank here. Now, number 1 is hold your pencils and write down the answers like I have do it for you. Number 1 is, the old ship is lying on the dash. Seabed. S-E-A-B-E-D bed. Seabed. Jack puts on a dash for his diving suit. D-I-V-I-N-G. Diving. S-U-I-T. Suit. Jack finds from treasure in the dash of the ship. Cabin. Cabin. He finds a treasure in the cabin of the ship. Cabin. Jack finds some cups and plates in some bookshelves. In some box shelf. He opens the box and finds it there. The octopus is resting in a cupboard. C-U-P, cup, B-O-A-R-D, board, cupboard. Jack tries to keep the mask on his face during the fight. M-A-S-K, mask. In his fight with the octopus, Jack has to pull away its legs. After the fight, Jack comes up to the surface. S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface. I hope you do it like this. Now, comes on the page number 6. Here you have question number 1. Make sentences using the words in the table. For example, you have given a table here and you have to make the sentences from the given table. For example, I have given you one. There is a shark swimming in the bay. Do this question on your textbook and on your notebook as well. You have to draw the lines on the table to make a sentence. Then you have to write that on your notebook by arranging them accordingly. Next question is, make sentences for the pictures using phrases from the box. You have the images on your textbook, page number 6, and there is a box with the words in the classroom, outside the school, in the playground, in the street, in the park. For example, there are some boys playing football in the playground. This is how you have to make the sentences. With the help of these pictures. I have do it for you. You have to write them on your notebook. There is a woman painting a picture in the classroom. Number 1. There are some children doing exercises outside the school. Number 2. There is a man selling ice cream in the street. There are some boys playing football in the playground. There are some girls skipping in the park. This is how you have to do it on your notebook. Now here comes the question number 4. I have given you for your homework. You have to do it in your homework. This is your home task. Make sentences using 2 words from each group. For example, Jack is eating a mango. Dave is fishing on the beach. What you have to do, you have to add ing and drop E and add ing, double the consonant, add ing, change IE to Y and add ing. Like you have the examples here. CRY, you have to just put ing in front of this word and it becomes crying. You have to drop E in the dance and add ing, it becomes dancing. You have to double the consonant. For example, you have a word hop. You have to double this last word HOPPING, hoping. You have to change the word lie, LIE. Just drop it by adding Y and add ing. Lying, lying. Same is the case you have to do with die. Drop the IE and add Y, DY, add ing, dying, DYING, dying. This is how you have to do this question and this question. You have to make sentences by using 2 words from each group. This is your home task. Now come towards the page number 7. You have to listen to me and fill in the missing word. Tell me, oh octopus, what do you use all your arms for? One pair of arms is for walking over land. One pair of arms is for drawing in the sand. One pair of arms is for giving you a lift. One pair of arms is for playing in the band. This is how you have to read it and fill in the missing words. Number 1 missing word is sand. S-A-N-D, sand. Number 2, L-I-F-T, lift. Number 3, B-A-N-D, band. One pair of arms is for sailing on the tide. Here is an octopus and you have the given pictures on your left and right side of your book. You have to just look at these pictures and read these lines. One pair of arms is for hitching a ride. One pair of arms is for moving side to side. One pair of arms helps me to hide. Octopus has many arms. So here octopus is telling us that how he uses these arms and for what purpose he is using these. One pair of arms is for surfing through the water. One pair of arms is for flying my kite. See? Here. It's flying kite here. Two pair of arms are for painting the things. Look at your book where he is painting. Here. And my mouth is for giving you a great bite. Big bite. You have to complete the words with these words. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. One pair of arms is for flying my kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Two pair of arms are for painting things underwater, U-N-D-E-R, W-A-T-E-R, underwater. And my mouth is for giving you a great big bite, B-I-T-E, bite. I hope you understand today's lecture. So this is it for today. Do your home tasks correctly. Best of luck. Thank you.